This video is going to show you how to transfer things to Dropbox, then to get back to your iPad. Now let's give a good example, such as I want to do word problems in the EduCreations app. So in order to do that, I want to type up my word problem for my kids and I want to put it in Dropbox. So I'm in Smart Notebook and I can just type up just like I would anything else. I would type it in Smart, and then I would go to File, Export. Whoops, I'm not. Go to File, Export an image file. When I click on that, it will give me some formats that I can choose from. I'm just going to choose as a JPEG for this particular thing. And I'm just going to call it word problem. Now notice that I have where I want to save it. If I'm on a computer that has my Dropbox that is linked to my iPad, so if you've got your kids' iPads and your Dropbox the computer you're using is the same Dropbox that is your kids' Dropbox, then all you have to do is click on where and go to the Dropbox folder and then save it. And that's it. You can change the image size if you want. Sometimes I might make it a little bit smaller, but it doesn't matter. I can do regular too. I'll just do regular to show you. I wouldn't do large. And I'm going to save it to Dropbox as word problem. And it exports. Now let's say I don't have Smart on my computer, or I'm in the computer lab and it doesn't have Smart. I can actually do this in PowerPoint. So here I'm in PowerPoint. I want to save this as an image file. I go to File. I can save as picture. And notice the format, it says JPEG. There again, I can go to Dropbox, save it in that, and call it word problem. I'll just call it word problem 1. Save it. Now, if for some reason I'm not able to get to my Dropbox that's on my computer, I can also save it a different way. So let's go back to this here, and I want to save this as a picture, but instead of saving it in Dropbox, I want to go to my desktop, and I'm just going to call it word problem and save it. And so you're going to see that it comes over here as word problem. There's my slide. So when I click on it, it actually gives me a JPEG. It looks like this. Now that I've gotten that done, I can go into my Dropbox online. So let's say I'm in the computer lab and I need to get this done real quickly. So I've saved it to my desktop. All I would need to do is go into my Dropbox account, www.dropbox.com. I would type my username and password and sign in. I'm not going to worry about that. And then, I know I changed my thing. I hope that's the right. Yep. Okay, so now that I'm in my Dropbox, I need to upload this word problem. So right here where the arrow is, I'm going to click on it. I'm going to choose my file. I'm going to go to desktop. I'm going to go down to word problem, click on that slide, and I'm going to open it. And it will, when it's done, it'll say done. And right there, you'll notice that I have my slide here. So that's how I get my JPEG to my Dropbox. I want to save it as an image and I want to move it to my Dropbox. The next video is going to show you how to actually take that image and put it into EduCreations.